What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit to cash or converting your BPI credit card credit limit into cash. So pag sinabing BPI credit to cash, ito yung ibig sabihin nun. Bali yung credit limit, pwede mo siyang makuha as cash. Pero otang yun, babayaran nyo yun of course every month. Ito yung term na ginagamit nila, credit to cash. Meaning, converting your BPI credit card credit limit into cash. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung benefits if you are going to avail BPI credit card credit limit into cash or BPI credit to cash. Pag-uusapan natin yung add-on rate, kung magkano yung interest rate, at saka kung magkano yung pwede nyong i-avail sa credit limit na meron kayo sa BPI credit card ninyo. And then of course, yung rates. Magkano nga ba yung monthly interest rates at saka yung factor rate and then yung effective interest rate, of course. At saka kung magkano yung availment fee as well. At saka magbibigay din ako ng sample computations kung magkano yung magiging monthly amortizations sa balak nyong i-convert into cash mula sa BPI credit card ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, credit to cash. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Siguro mag-asawa yan or may jowa. So uutang daw sila. Siguro may negosyo sila. Chika lang. So credit to cash. Get cash from your BPI credit card and pay it in installment. Kumbaga, tulad ng sabi ko, via installment nyo siya babayaran every month. But it comes with interest, of course. Kasi business ito ni BPI. So ngayon, let's talk about benefits in converting your BPI credit card credit limit into cash. Unang-una guys is fixed monthly installments. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in fixed monthly installment. Yung monthly amortizations na sinasabi. Then, low add-on rate. So, kasi guys, kapag may credit card kayo sa BPI, may mga offer sila minsan na minsan pumapalo lang ng 0.55%, 0.45%, 0.75%, mga ganyan. Compared to personal loan, mahal talaga pag personal loan, pumapalo ng 1.50%. Compared to BPI credit limit in converting into cash, mas mura siya. So nakalagay dito is get as low as 0.99% monthly add-on rate for 36 months. Ito ay regular rate ito guys na 0.99. Kapag nag-promo sila, edi swerte nyo. Kung may business kayo, magandang source of funds ito. Up to 36 months siya guys. So ito yung pinakamatagal na pwede nyong hulugan yung ika-cash installment ninyo. Fast processing. Have your application processed in as fast as 5 banking days. So 5 days lang, makukuha nyo na agad yung pera. Use 100% of your available limit. So, magkano nga ba yung pwedeng ma-avail sa credit limit ninyo sa BPI credit card into cash installment? Up to 100% guys. So, pag sinabing 100%, halimbawa 1 million yung credit limit ng BPI credit card ninyo. So, pwedeng i-avail yung up to 800,000 lang. Kasi, syempre, i-charge doon yung interest guys. So, pag sinabing 100% dito, kasama na yung interest rate. So, kapag 1 million yung BPI credit limit ng credit card ninyo, nasa 800,000 lang yan or 900,000. Depende sa katagal ninyo babayaran. Kasi mas matagal nyo siya babayaran, mas malaki rin yung ipapataw na interest rates doon. Then ngayon, let's talk about rates of converting your BPI credit limit into cash. So, nandito guys yung term. Like for example, so monthly AOR. So, meaning add-on rate yung AOR. So, sa 6 months, 1%, which is ito yung regular interest na sinasabi ko. Ngayon, kapag 36 months, 0.99%. Napakalaki naman 0.01. So, ito kasi yung regular interest. So, sabi ko, pag nag-promo sila, tsempuhan nyo lang. Kasi, kapag na-tsempuhan nyo nag-promo, maliit lang yung interest. Umaabot ng 0.45%. Ganun siya. Then, ito yung factor rate. So, pag sinabing factor rate, guys, ito yung kung magkano yung ika-cash installment niyo, tapos i-multiply nyo ngayon sa factor rate. Like, for example, 6 months, yung gusto nyo katagal bayaran. So, yung 20,000, i-multiply niyo halimbawa, 20,000 yung balak nyo i-cash installment, 0.176667. So, yung result, yun yung magiging monthly amortizations niya. Then ngayon, EIRPA. So, pag sinabing EIRPA is effective interest rate per annum. So, EIR, effective interest rate, then PAS per annum. So, sa 6 months is 20.29%, sa 12 months, 21.46%, sa 18 months, 21.64%. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, iba-iba siya kasi iba-iba katagal kasi di ba may 31 days, isang buwan, then something ganyan. Kaya nagba-vary yung rate niya sa effective interest rate per annum or per year. So, ito guys, may nakalagay notes. Effective interest rate or PA of 21.01% on 36-month term. So, kapag 3 years or 36 month, yung balak nyo katagal, babayaran yung ika-cash installment nyo sa BPI credit card. A service fee will be charged for each SIP loan availment. So, when we say SIP, a simple installment plan, this fee will be reflected in the succeeding statement of account. So, the next billing cycle, kapag nag-avail kayo ngayong month, next month, makikita ninyo sa upcoming billing cycle ninyo yung availment fee doon. Please be advised of the adjusted SIP loan service fee of BPI credit cards. So ito guys, kailangan nyo malaman na dati 300 pesos lang, ngayon 500 pesos na, as you can see ito. The SIP loan service fee of 300 pesos will be adjusted to PHP 500 pesos to be charged for SIP. So meaning, dating 300, naging 500 na siya. Loan availment above 50,000 pesos, while transactions up to PHP 50,000 pesos will be still charged at PHP 300 pesos. So, lilinawin ko guys na kapag yung ilo-loan nyo lang is below 50,000, 300 pesos lang yung charge. Ngayon, above 50,000, yun yung 500 pesos. This one-time fee will be applied for every availment of the following SIP. Loans starting April 16, 2024. So, ngayon 2025 na, ibig sabihin na approve or implemented na itong payment na to. Ito ay effective sa balance transfer, credit to cash, and balance conversion. So, pag sinabing balance transfer, guys, yung balance mula sa ibang credit card, ililipat sa BPI credit card ninyo. Credit to cash, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, which is yung available credit limit ng BPI credit card nyo, it ko convert into cash. Yung balance conversion. So, halimbawa, may existing balance kayo na hindi nyo kayang bayaran, papakonvert ninyo installment. Ganun din yung fee niya. Below 50,000, 300 pesos. Above 50,000, 500 pesos. So ngayon guys, let's talk about sample interest computation for credit to cash. So halimbawa yung loan amount guys is 20,000 pesos. Yung term is 12 months. So pag sinabing term, gaano yung katagal babayaran? Add-on rate per month is 1%, which is yung regular interest. Then effective interest rate is 1.79%. So yung factor rate niya is 0.0933333. Monthly amortization, 1,866.67. Total interest is 2,400. So, kung nagtataka kayo guys kung paano ito nangyari, ang mangyayari dyan is i-compute nyo siya, 20,000 times 1%, tapos ngayon, yung result, ito times nyo sa 12 months, kung ilang months nyo siya gustong bayaran, tapos yung result, yun yung magiging total interest rate. Tapos ngayon, yung monthly amortization naman, yung total interest rate plus the principal amount, which is kung magkano yung niloan ninyo, which is yung 20,000, i-add ninyo ngayon, then i-divide nyo siya ngayon kung 12 months siya. So, yung result, yun yung magiging monthly amortizations. So, sana na-gets ninyo. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!